So, you want to know the best gift for a SFX makeup artist? Well, in this handy little guide, I'm going to show you 10 special effects makeup gifts under $20, and some of them, at the end, you probably won't even expect. We are going to begin with scar wax or modeling wax. It's beginner friendly and used widely around the SFX makeup community. Scar wax is great for fake SFX makeup wounds and other gore makeup. Next on the list, we have liquid latex. Liquid latex is always needed in any SFX makeup kit. You can make so much with liquid latex: prosthetics, wounds, latex paste, and much more. Up next, we have spirit gum and spirit gum remover. Spirit gum is a latex-free adhesive that is used to stick SFX makeup of all kind to your skin. Spirit gum is very easy to apply, and with spirit gum remover, it comes off as easy as you put it on. Now, time for some color. The Mehron Bruise wheel is one of my favorite color wheels of all times. It's a cream-based paint that can be used for a ton of SFX, gore, and even cosplay looks. It comes with 5 paint colors that are beginner to pro friendly. It blends really well and can be used for pretty much anything you can create. Also from Mehron is Mehron's fake blood. You can use fake blood for, well, about everything. But if you want to eat it, make sure it's an edible one like this. Going back to the paints, another great SFX makeup gift is face and body paint. Not all SFX makeup has to be bloody or gross. The 12 colors of paint are great at blending, and you don't even need to have water. You just apply it to the skin. Now, for an SFX makeup gift you probably not have thought of. Polymorph plastic. This is the plastic used to create fake teeth, bones, horns, and more. You just put these little pellets in water and take them out, sculpt out what you want, and then you have an SFX piece. Speaking of sculpting, another very useful gift is Sfx Gelatin. Just like liquid latex and scar wax, you can use this SFX makeup to create whatever you want, from fake skin, hex bags, to prosthetics. Sfx Gelatin is always useful in an SFX makeup kit. One of the best SFX gifts to give is Scab Blood. It's one of my favorite types of blood, creating scabs and scrapes to full-on burning skin. Scab Blood makes all your wounds look to a particular degree of fresh. You can never go wrong with Sfx Scab Blood. One that might not stand out too well are some SFX makeup sponges. These belong in all SFX makeup kits. Us SFX makeup artists use them for everything, so getting SFX makeup sponges are a great SFX makeup gift under $20. So that brings us to the end. If you have another gift idea for a SFX makeup artist under $20, let me know down in the comments, and as always, have a good night.